Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first online income by watching this video. Yes, you heard me right. You can earn money online just by watching this video and following the steps that I'm going to share with you. In this video, you will learn: what are the benefits of making money online? What are the best online income opportunities for beginners? How to choose the right online income opportunity for you. How to get started and make your first online income. To resources and tools to help you make money online faster and easier. So, if you're ready to learn how to make your first online income by watching this video, then let's get started. The first thing you need to know is what are the benefits of making money online. Making money online has many advantages over traditional ways of earning income, such as: you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can set your own schedule and work at your own pace. You can choose your own projects and clients. You can leverage your skills and passions. You can earn passive income while you sleep or do other things. You can scale your income and grow your business. Making money online can also help you achieve your financial goals, such as paying off your debts, saving for emergencies, investing for retirement, traveling the world, supporting your family, donating to causes you care about. Making money online can also help you improve your personal development, such as learning new skills and knowledge, expanding your network and opportunities, boosting your confidence and self-esteem, expressing your creativity and personality, fulfilling your purpose and potential. As you can see, making money online has many benefits that can improve your life in many ways. But how can you make money online? What are the best online income opportunities for beginners? The second thing you need to know is what are the best online income opportunities for beginners. There are many ways to make money online, but not all of them are suitable or easy for beginners. Some of them require a lot of time, money, or experience to start or succeed. Some of them are also very competitive or saturated. However, there are some online income opportunities that are perfect for beginners. These opportunities are dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without having to handle inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. You simply create an online store, find products from a supplier, and market them to customers. When a customer places an order, you forward it to the supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay to the supplier. Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you sell customized products online without having to handle inventory, printing, or fulfillment. You simply create designs for products such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, or stickers, and upload them to a platform that prints and ships them on demand. When a customer places an order, the platform prints and ships it directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay to the platform. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services online. You simply find products or services that are relevant to your niche or audience, and share them with your followers through a unique link that tracks your sales. When a customer clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. YouTube. YouTube is a platform where you can create and upload videos on any topic that interests you or your audience. You can monetize your videos by enabling ads, joining the YouTube Partner Program, or selling merchandise or memberships. When a viewer watches your videos, clicks on an ad, or buys something from you, you earn money. Blogging. Blogging is a platform where you can write and publish articles on any topic that interests you or your audience. You can monetize your blog by displaying ads, selling products or services, or accepting donations or sponsorships. When a reader visits your blog, clicks on an ad, or buys something from you, you earn money. These are some of the best online income opportunities for beginners because they are easy to start, you don't need a lot of money, time, or experience to start these businesses. You just need a laptop, an internet connection, and some basic skills. Flexible and scalable, you can work on these businesses whenever and wherever you want. You can also grow them as big or as small as you want. Profitable and rewarding, you can make a lot of money from these businesses if you do them right. You can also enjoy the process and the results of your work. But how can you choose the right online income opportunity for you? How can you get started and make your first online income? The third thing you need to do is to choose the right online income opportunity for you. To choose the right online income opportunity for you, you need to consider 3 factors. Your skills. What are you good at or enjoy doing? What are your strengths and weaknesses? What are your hobbies and passions? Your niche. What are you interested in or knowledgeable about? What are the problems or needs of your target market? What are the trends and opportunities in your industry? Your goals. What are you trying to achieve or accomplish? How much money do you want to make or need to make? How much time do you have or want to spend? By considering these factors, you can find the online income opportunity that matches your skills, niche, and goals. You can also avoid the online income opportunity that doesn't suit you or doesn't work for you. For example, if you have a skill in graphic design, a niche in gaming, and a goal of making $1,000 a month, you might choose print on demand as your online income opportunity. You can create and sell gaming-related designs on products such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, or stickers. You can market them to gamers who are looking for cool and unique merchandise. On the other hand, if you have a skill in writing, a niche in fitness, and a goal of making $5,000 a month, you might choose blogging as your online income opportunity. You can write and publish articles on topics such as workouts, nutrition, supplements, or equipment. You can monetize them by displaying ads, selling products or services, or accepting donations or sponsorships. The fourth thing you need to do is to get started and make your first online income. To get started and make your first online income, you need to follow these steps. Choose a platform. Depending on your online income opportunity, you need to choose a platform that allows you to create and run your online business. For example, if you choose dropshipping, you might use Shopify as your platform. If you choose YouTube, you might use YouTube as your platform. Create an account. Once you choose a platform, you need to create an account on it. You need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, password, and payment method. You also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the platform. Set up your store or channel or blog. After creating an account, you need to set up your store or channel or blog on the platform. You need to customize it with your name, logo, description, theme, and other features. You also need to add some products or videos or articles that showcase your offer. Promote your offer. Once you set up your store or channel or blog, you need to promote your offer to your target audience. You need to use various marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, SEO, or paid ads. You also need to provide value and build trust with your potential customers. Make sales. When you promote your offer, you will start getting traffic and leads to your store or channel or blog. Some of these visitors will convert into customers and buy from you. When they do, you will make sales and earn money. By following these steps, you can get started and make your first online income. However, this is not the end of the journey. This is just the beginning. You need to keep learning, improving, and growing your online business. You need to test new ideas, optimize your performance, and scale your income. The fifth and final thing you need to do is to use the resources and tools that I have prepared for you to help you make money online faster and easier. These resources and tools include a free ebook that explains how to make money online in 20233, a free worksheet that helps you choose the right online income opportunity for you, a free guide that helps you get started and make your first online income, a free audio that helps you use positive thinking, affirmations, and visualization to reinforce your confidence and courage, a free video that shows you how I made my first online income by watching this video. You can access these resources and tools by clicking on the links below. They are completely free and easy to use. They will help you make money online faster and easier. So, these are the 5 things that you need to do to make your first online income by watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which thing you are going to do or if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.